I'm Hot Car Track.
I'm MC.
And this is Mount Western Raceway. It's semi-final time, Heat 1. Let's look at the competitors who are racing today. First up, we have the Dodge Challenger. With a track time like that, he needs speed. Up next, we have the 70 Challenger. With a track time of 4.6, he might have the goods. And the final car today is the 61 Impala.
This is my pick, HC.
The first car to win 3 races wins a spot in the finals.
Let's do it. Race 1.
I can feel the tension out in the track today. All the Dodgers out front. They both stack it high, both the 70 and the Dodge, and the Impala's out. And here comes the Dodge, and he's gone over. It's a DNF on the first race. Unbelievable.
DNF.
Take us to the replay, MC.
I'm onto it.
I know the stakes are high going into the finals, but on the first race, both the 70 and the Dodge go high and just can't cope. And the Dodgers decided to do this race backwards. Interesting first race. There you go, DNF, all cars.
Race 2.
Well, the Impala's out front. He's got a beautiful line going up high. Look at the speed on the Impala. Holy moly, Batman. This guy can drive.
Winner, 61 Impala. Replay.
I've said it before, but the 61 Impala just has the speed. Is not frightened of Mount Western Raceway. Look at this. Goes low, then he goes up high. He uses every inch of that track. Unbelievable driving, the 61 Impala. So the 61 Impala after race 2 gets his first win.
Race 3.
Good clean start. Here comes the Impala into turn 1. Beautiful line. Oh, he stacks it and he's over. Here comes the 70. Hang on. Here comes the Dodge. Oh, the 70's over. It's the Dodge for a win.
Winner, Dodge Challenger.
Take us to the replay, MC.
Okay.
And the 70's landed on his wheels.
Unbelievable.
Wow, race 3. Anything can happen in the semi-finals here at Mount Western Raceway. The Impala's looking good, but he connects something on the track. The 70 stacks into him. The 70's going backwards into turn 2, and the Dodge is right on his tail. Oh, and he pushes the 70 right off the track. The Dodge says, thank you very much. I'm taking this race. Thank you. The Dodge Challenger scores his first win in the semi-finals.
Unbelievable racing, HC.
Sure is.
Race 4.
Neck and neck out of the start gate. The 70 and the Impala are having a barney. Oh, here comes the Dodge. He stacks it, but it's the 70 all the way. Oh, he hits the sidewall there. It's an easy win for the 70.
Winner, 70 Challenger.
Let's go to the replay, MC.
Here we go.
The Impala looks to have the best line going into turn 1. The Dodge has gone up high, trying to sneak on the outside, but he spins, blocks the Impala.
I feel these two cars are at each other.
But it's the 70 Challenger for his first win. Well, the 70 Challenger gets his first win on the board, and they're all tied up out of race 4.
Race 5.
They've all come fast out of the gate. Look at the Impala go. Wow, I've never seen speed like this on Mount Western Raceway before. This guy means business.
Winner, 61 Impala. We've got a tournament, HC.
Mate, the pressure's on.
Replay.
I don't have much to say here other than that 61 Impala is just all over Mount Western Raceway. Give him the speed and he just picks his own line. And he just cleans up. He leaves the dust behind for everyone. Winner, 61 Impala. Unbelievable racing by the 61.
Race 6.
The 61 and 70 are fast out of the start gate. Oh, the Impala's gone! Unbelievable, and here comes a dodge for an easy win. Oh, can't wait to see the replay on that.
Winner, Dodge Challenger.
Well, there's the 61, and the Impala is nowhere to be found.
I'll take us to the replay.
Both the 70 and the 61 have a good run down the back straight. Into turn 1. Oh, the 70's just too fast out of that turn. The 61 goes over. So it's an easy win for the Dodge. He's just cruising around the track, hitting a few sidewalls, just taking it easy for this win. Dodge Challenger scores his second win.
Race 7.
This might be the decider, this race. Oh, here comes a 70 and he's blocked everyone. What's happened here? Oh no, it's a DNF. Take us to the replay, MC.
Doing it now.
I get the feeling the 61 Impala's back to his old tricks. If I can't win, no one will win. Well, another DNF out of race 7.
Race 8.
Here we go. Good clean line. Here comes a 61. He goes up high. He's got the speed. He goes into turn 2. Beautiful line. He sees the finish line and says, "Thank you. I'm through to the finals." The 61 Impala.
Winner, 61 Impala.
Take us to the replay, MC.
Setting it up now.
You can see the 61 just comes out of the start gate really fast. He goes high into turn 1, has a beautiful line down Western Straight. Look at that, he goes right up high, uses every inch of the track again. This guy can race. He's not frightened of Mount Western Raceway. Congratulations, the 61 Impala. You've made it through to the finals. Well, here's your first look at your finalist, the 61 Impala. He had the goods, he had the speed, and he can drive Mount Western Raceway. Congratulations, we'll see you in the finals. What an exciting summer tournament this has been. The 61 Impala is in the final spot. So until next time, I'm Hot Car Track, and this is Mount Western Raceway. Thanks for watching.